Hi everyone, the topic that I would like to share today is service profit chain. What is service profit chain? Service profit chain, it explains the relationship between the service and profit of the organizations. If you look at the diagram, the left side of the diagram is show the internal operational strategy and service delivery system. How does it impact on the service concept, right? And service concept have to be delivered to the right target market. In the end, how does it increase the company revenue and profit? If you look at the left diagram, which is on the operational strategy and service delivery system, it is very important for the every organization to ensure that they have the right operational strategies and efficient service delivery system. In this situations, employee play a very important role. Employees are the asset of the organizations. So you have to make sure that you select the right employee for the right time, for the right place. You also have to ensure that we design the job in a way that it is interesting, it is clearly identified. It has to be ensured that it has to be ensured that they know how to execute the task well. So coaching and supervising play a very important role in order to ensure that they will able to do the job. Right, and besides that, in order for the employee to do the job, you have to give the setting authority, right? So that they were able to solve the problem and make the decision on the spot. And besides that, employees nowadays they are not only looking in terms of money, they are also looking in terms of happy working environment, right? Safety working environment. So as an organization, have to ensure that they have to provide the workplace that which is safe and sound for them to work. Employees are where they will stick with you they will stick with the organization which where they've been motivated if there is a career advancement. So it is a responsible of the company to ensure that employees in the organizations are where they are being appreciated. Appreciated by giving the recognition, by giving the rewards such as bonuses, increments, play a very important role, right? So the more the employees are motivated, the more they are happy, the more they are able to increase the productivity. And besides that, employees are also need to be trained and coached, where they were able to upgrade the skills, right? And besides that, they were able to advance their career. So it does also play a very important role for the employees. And besides that, in order employee to execute the task easily, it has to be ensured that all the information should be shared between the departments. Communication should be free flow communication between these between the department, among the people, among the working colleague. By doing that, everything can be solved in an effective and efficient manner. So when the employees are being providing all the facilities and being highly motivated, they were able to increase the productivity and they were able to provide the service to the customers. When we are designing the service, it is very important that our service must be something that which is unique compared to the competitor. That is how service value play a very important role. Value meaning that the benefit that we are providing the customers. If your service is just the same like other company services, customer will think that why I should come to you, right? So you have to ensure that your service must be something that which is unique, which is something extra, which is something beneficial. For example, you want to go for a haircut, right? There are a few beauty salon near your place, but you only want to go to that particular beauty salon because the value that they're providing that is what make you happy with it, right? Such as where even though you go for the haircut, they have the free massage every time after you did the haircut. And besides that, they also provide the free flow drinks. And besides that, since you are the regular customers, they have a discount for you. So while you are providing that value in the services, that is how you are making the customers happy. So once the customers are happy, they are willing to build the long-term relationship with you. That is called the loyal customers. It is very important for every organization to build the relationship with the customers. company, any organization, they should not be happy by having the satisfied customers. They need to find the way how to transform satisfied customers into loyal customers, because not all satisfied customers guarantee that they are going to stay with you longer. According to the research, also found that finding a new customer is 5 times more expensive than keeping the loyal customers. That's why it is very important that company must find way, right? Finding the right strategy, developing the right strategies to build the relationship with the customers. That's why you can see is where nowadays the companies are offering certain unique incentive to the regular customers, so then they are going to build a long-term relationship with them. Because once the customers are loyal, right, not only they keep buying from you the same product and services, they will also buy. They will also buy across the different type of product and services as well. Besides that, when they are happy, they even tell to their friends, family members, right, to buy the product and services. So as a result, they will even bring in new customers, right? And they also become they will also buy again from you. They will also buy again, right? As a result, it will create the lifetime value. So loyalty customers are where it increases the company growth as well as the company profit. So that's why every service organization should look into it, how we can develop the effective operational strategies and service delivery system that provide the service, in the end, make the customer happy and increase the loyalty, so then organization can increase the revenue and profit. Based on the diagram, you can see that is where customer loyalties really improve the profitability and growth of the organization. Once the customers are satisfied and happy, they are willing to, and they have an intention to build the long-term relationship with the company. So it is very important that company to provide the value that make the customers happy, right? Something that which is unique, right? Something that which is distinguished, right? Something that which is beneficial for the customers. If you provide this value in it, customers are happy with it, right? When the customer happy, they are going to stick with you in the long term. So by providing that value, employees play a very important role. So you need to ensure that employees are really motivated, they are qualified, they have ability to do it, they are willing to do it, right? So as a result, we need to ensure that we need the employee who are satisfied and qualified to do the job. So as a result, they will provide the service that will excite or that will satisfy to the customers, right? So in the end, customer will loyal. Lastly, it will be able to increase the company profit. One of the important thing is where we should not ignore is where top management and company culture, organization culture play a very important role. No matter how you are making the employee to do things, but if there is no support from top management, it can never be done. So top management has to play a very important role in order to ensure that employees are fully taking care of it. So top managers and CEO of the organization, where they have to ensure that they must build the culture where employees are the asset of the organization. They are being fully motivated, they are being well trained, they are being coached. So as a result, we have the employee who are capable and able to perform the things, perform the job. Based on this service profit change, IBM has applied in the business. For example, where IBM in Manchester particularly use the service profit change to help understand the relationship that existed. For example, where in order to increase the market share, right, you need to ensure that you have to make the customers satisfied, right? Only customers are satisfied, they will buy from you, they will buy again and again. That is how you increase the company shares, right? Market shares, right? And in order to satisfy the customer, employee play a very important role, right? So you have to ensure that employees are happy with the job, right? They are willing to do the job. As a result, they were able to provide the service that what the customers want. right? So basically is where, in order to link with the service and profit, right, managers they have to ensure that they must know how to manage the employee effectively. It has to be ensured that, right, decision at the operational level can affect the long-term business success, right? So this is an example of how the action that is taken that impact on the employee satisfaction, right, have to ensure that employee satisfaction impact on the the way they provide the services. It will impact on the customer satisfaction, and it lead to the customer loyalty. In the end, it will improve the company profit and the growth.